Hey friends, do you ever want to do something that's just kind of silly? Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. So in case no one has told you lately, you can do some writing that is just for fun. You don't have to show anyone it doesn't have to go on your blog, it doesn't have to be for marketing, it doesn't have to ever get published. We can just use writing as a stress relief sometimes. We can write whatever weird Kylo Ren fanfiction we can dream of, and no one ever needs to know about it or see it, and that's not weird at all, Paige. Don't always worry about it having to be your next masterpiece, and have fun sometimes. You never know what those silly ideas will turn into, but at the same time, they don't have to turn into anything. They're doing their job by just existing and helping you to relieve some stress and tension and explore your imagination. And at the end of the day, isn't that a lot of what writing is really about? Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone!